Welcome back. So today Natalia's gonna experience her first time of a volcano. What we have here is
dinosaur hats.
We have dinosaur hats just to make it fun. But I try to create like a real life habitat to where she can kind of get the full experience. We have a little hippo
and a bug.
And we have flowers. And then, as you can see, we have the Play-Doh that we did on the previous channel. So I'm going to have the link at the bottom so that we can create it. So it's ready. It's just ready for her to pour it and get the full experience. Thank you for watching. So what I have in here is a little bit of water, baking soda, and some paint. Then we have the vinegar here. So, no, this is vinegar. So be careful. And when we count to 3, you're going to pour it, okay?
Okay.
So are you ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
There are bubbles.
Yep, it has bubbles.
We can all pop them, right?
So what do you think about that?
Good.
Good? This is your first time doing it, huh?
Yep, it's fun.
Good job. Okay, thank you for watching. We'll be doing something different next, so make sure to subscribe
to our channel and views, thumbs up. Click the bell button.
Click the bell button, few thumbs up. And what is our motto? If you dream it, make it happen. Right? Thank you.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.